Tim. Today we got a 2010 Honda Civic. We're going to be doing the CV axle seal, transmission output. Just go crazy. Take off a whole bunch of things to make sure you keep it where you can turn the steering wheel around. We're gonna pull that axle out. We're gonna do the struts right here. We're gonna take the caliper off and hang it over here, just so we don't stretch the hose. But don't worry about the bracket, rotor, and all that stuff. We'll take this off right here, the axle nut. And we'll pull it enough to get the axle out to replace that seal that is right behind that axle in there. So, just a second. Set this right here. We're going to undo. Alright, and then you want to undo the hose on the side here, the 12 millimeter. Free that up. Okay, undo it out of the harness back here. It just pushes out, pulls out, whatever you want to call it. Get all that out of your way, and I'm going to undo the wheel sensor too, which is back here, which is a 10 millimeter right back here. So taking that out of here. Alright, now you got everything that's kind of not hooked. You want everything hooked to this hub here. Some people do the bottom ball joint. You ain't got to do all that. We're going to do the struts here, which are 3/4. Let me show you that. So 32. Undo the struts right here. Let me get you a good shot of that. Alright, pull this down, pull it back, get your axle out. I'll pull your axle out to the left like that. Alright, a little bit of trans fluid might come out. You can put a pan under it. Use the pry bar on the other side. And go underneath it. I'll get under here and show you. You want to get right behind it, right there. Just pry it out. Alright. Move my light out of the way here. Just kind of pull it out from the side right here. Comes right out. Set it right here. That seal right there is the one we're going to be replacing. It's leaking a little bit, so I'll show you that in just a second. Oh, gotta get you the best shot I can. Kind of hard to do with one hand. There you go. Alright, that's how you get it out, and then we'll tap the new one in. Alright, also make sure you clean it, yeah. Clean any debris or anything that's on it. Wipe all that off. Alright, and we'll push the new one in here. Alright, that first seal wasn't right. It might be right on yours. This one's going to take a 710314 national. The other one was too big, so set this in there. Alright, just want to, you can tap it in, push it in. I kind of push it in, tap it in. Make sure it's flush in there. Start putting everything back together. Sometimes these can be stubborn, so just kind of put you like a ratchet or something underneath it. Long breaker bar is what I do, and then get it lined up. That way you can line those up on the struts. Make sure you go in here, verify no leaks. No leaks anywhere. That's good. Alright. Another one done at Tim's Auto. Yeah, come on. Thanks for watching.